Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing a hair tea that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. So I'm going to be using cloves, I'm going to be using fennel seed, I'm going to be using fenugreek seed, and I'm also going to be using rosemary as well. Then I'll add in my MSM powder inside this recipe that's going to help in boosting all this for my hair growth. I hope you enjoyed this particular one. So guys, sorry I have not been dropping videos as usual. Is the challenge we are doing, no hands on my hair, so it's really making me not to explore more in my DIYs. But don't worry guys, we are safe, the hair is thriving well. Okay, so I'm gonna be dropping the benefit of the ingredients in my description box. You can do well to check it out. You guys know I've been using fenugreek seed, and it's also amazing it's good for hair growth. Okay, so I have tried fenugreek seed alone, it boosts my hair. I have tried cloves alone, it boosts my hair. I have tried rosemary alone, it boosts my hair. So these are the three major ingredients that I know that is really amazing for my hair. Okay, so I try to add other ingredients to incorporate it as well. So loves, I hope you enjoyed this particular one. Please give the video a thumbs up. So I use a teaspoon for each of this recipe. Yeah, I used a teaspoon for each of these recipes. So I am going to be doing a solar badge. I found out that adding too much water in your DIY is not literally good. Okay, so you need more ingredients and less water. So this is the ingredient I'm using. Okay, but the water, I won't be filling this jar. Okay, I'll just be putting it a little bit, and I'm going to allow this to infuse. Okay, so this is the water level I am going to be doing for this week. Okay, so if I want to do another one, I will add more water to my ingredients. Yeah, so this is over 24 hours because I allowed this to stay over 24 hours. Okay, this is the water we have. I am going to strain and put this in my jar, my application bottle for application. Yes, so loves, I am sorry that I have not been dropping a lot of ingredients in the channel. Please do well to bear with me, and by next year, which is January, we'll be going back to our normal routine and adding more aphrodisiac spices to my hair. Yeah, so I have been doing mini braid for like I think 6 months now, and I have seen a lot of amazing results. Okay, so if you've not joined the mini braid challenge, you need to join it and try it on your natural hair. Your hair is going to love it. So here is my MSM powder. You can use this without the MSM powder, it's also going to work wonders on your hair. So I have done a 2 weeks drinking MSM powder, which was awesome. Okay, the side effect was there, but literally it was still good for my hair. So I am going to be using my MSM powder for my hair growth teas. Okay, I'm going to be using this for my hair growth teas. You can, for a newcomer that is trying MSM powder, try using this like 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, so just to know how your hair or your scalp feels about this. Okay, so this, I'm going to use this every day because I have drank MSM every day and I'm fine. Okay, the only side effect I had was the headaches, but to escape the headache, you just have to drink a lot of water and take the MSM powder with food. Yeah, that's how you'll be able to escape the headaches. So this is my hair. Okay, and this was December 2nd. Yeah, so 1 month of carrying mini braids on my hair. This is what we have. So I am really amazed by the hair growth we have. Okay guys, so this is the hair growth we have for just 1 month. All right, so this was December 2nd. Sorry I have not dropped the video. I'm sorry I'm dropping the video right now. I have been busy so lot. Okay, a lot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. And after spraying all over my hair, I massage. It was so hard to keep my hands away from my edges. Okay, here when I was spraying this on my hair, I totally forgot that I was doing a no hands challenge. So that's why you saw my hand on my front edges. Yes, sometimes you just forget things. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair and massage my scalp. Okay, massaging your scalp is another amazing key point that helps in promoting your hair growth. Even if you apply an ingredient on your hair and you don't massage it for your hair to absorb it, it's not going to work. So you need to apply an ingredient on your hair, then make sure you massage it to absorb it. So here when I spray it on my hair and I just pat my front edges, that is when I remember that, oh, I am doing a no hands challenge and I literally need to keep my hands away from my edges. Yeah, besties, so I'm just gonna do this, massage it, make sure my hair absorb everything in this 4 ingredients using cloves, rosemary, fennel seed, and fenugreek seed. Yes, so it was literally entering into my eyes, so I just had to like clean it out, massage it. And I also did a wash day routine, which I used my onions as my pre-poo and the fenugreek as my deep condition. Yes, so that was what I did on my hair, and I literally love the final result. So I'm going to be using my leave-in condition, which is from Cantu. So always when you put an Avedic teas on your hair, always follow up with leave-in condition that is suitable for your hair. So I'm trying to stay away from products. Okay, so I'm trying to look for a way to make organic leave-in condition. I'm still doing my research to make sure that the leave-in condition actually stays for a long time. Yeah, so I've been using hair oils which stays a long time. I'm using butters which stays a long time. So I need to look for leave-in condition that I know that is organic and it's gonna last me for a long time. So this is my hair after applying leave-in condition. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my oil. I have this oil recipe in my channel, you can do well to check it out. So I'm just going to be putting it on my scalp, the front of my edges, everywhere I know that this oil is needed. Yeah, then after that I'll be following in with my butters. My butter choice here, I have this mixture of shebe butter and other Avedic ingredients inside. Okay, so I'm going to be using this at the ends of my hair because those are the other part of your hair. It tends to get dry a lot, like faster than your normal hair. Okay, the ends of your hair tend to get dry faster. Okay, so if you seal it up with some butters, it helps it to stay moisturized for a long time. And I have found out another trick about staying away from knots. Okay, when you moisturize your hair, don't just leave your hair like this. Okay, try to pack it and braid it. When you braid it, you tuck in your hair is not going to be tied, like be tangled together. Okay, when you lose it, because before when I started this braided hair challenge, okay, the knot on my ends is always locked because I always leave my hair. If I moisturize it, I don't pack it, I just leave it like this to dry. And when I wear my bonnet, I just wear my bonnet normally. So I found out that it's more safer and more best to pack the hair and plait it, because I always do experiment on my hair. So I tried it out and I saw that it was so good. Okay, so that's what I have been doing. So anytime I moisturize my hair, I make sure I pack it in 2. Before I pack it in 1, but I decided to pack it in 2. It's more easier. Okay, and I can carry it like this and go out without looking weird. Yeah, so I pack it in 2 and I plait my hair. Okay, plait it and tuck it in. Your hair will stay like that. Okay, when you lose it, you will not see any tangles on the ends of your hair, and it's also another way to keep your hair in check. Yeah, so this is what I am doing. I hope you enjoyed this with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, shared the video. So at the ending part, I do a little bit of twist so that when I want to lose it, it's easier for me to unravel my hair. So this is what we have after moisturizing and all. I'll do the same thing to the next part of my hair. If you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share the video, let me know your beautiful comment, and what do you guys think of my routine, and what do you guys think of my hair. Yeah, so I know my hair is growing. Okay, I can see the result on my hair. Okay, loves, and just this is me tucking in the ends of my hair, and I can wear my hair bonnet and sleep. I can go out like this and I'm good to go. And I'll see you all in my next one. So just giving you guys my final review of the hair. My scalp looks clean, healthier. This is how it is at the back. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye.